Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find saved posts on Facebook. Let's get started. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the home page, let me first show you how to save a Facebook post. Tap the three dots above any post, then select Save Post. The post is now saved to your Facebook saved items. Now, to find your saved posts on Facebook, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Saved. Here, you'll see all your saved Facebook posts, collections, and saved videos in one place. Tap on any post to view the full content. If you want to unsave a Facebook post, simply tap the three dots and select Unsave. This removes it from your saved items. Using Facebook's saved posts is a great way to bookmark content you want to revisit later, whether it's recipes, articles, or important updates. And that's how you find and manage saved posts on Facebook. Thanks for watching.